I've taken a trade, so it's in the money, guys. You can see here my student is trading her account. If you didn't watch the previous video, go ahead and watch it. It was video number 25, so this is video number 26. We are doing the KISS strategy, guys. You can see here it's in the money and we made it right there. Our goal for today is 168.76. We are using the KISS strategy. If you don't know what the KISS strategy is, please check the playlist. The link is in the description. I'm going to keep this training extremely short and sweet, okay, so you guys can learn. So basically what you do is you have two charts here, and this is where you find the two charts. Right now is one chart, so if you want two charts, you're going to click right there. And the pair we are using is NSD JPY. You can use any pair. Whatever I'm providing here, guys, is not financial advice. This is very risky. And so just exercise proper risk management and just know that you can lose your investment. We are using Pocket Options as the platform. And I have a student here who is going through our crypto trading masterclass in the Smart Wolf Club. And if you don't know what I'm talking about when I say the KISS strategy, please and please just do me a favor, go back to our previous videos. There's 25 of them. Go and watch these, and by the time you're done watching these, you should be able to make money online trading binary options. If that is binary options is your thing, you can trade that. Now, there are no guarantees, right? And the results that I'm showing here, they're not typical because we do not know your work ethics. Some people are lazy, they don't practice, they don't learn this. And you can do this on the demo account. So go ahead and get your free demo account on Pocket Options and follow the strategy that we talk about. We call it KISS, K-I-S-S, keep it simple, stupid strategy, because it is the simplest strategy that you can take and run with and make money. Okay? Before I proceed, let me say a word of prayer. In the belief of the Almighty, we pray that whoever is going to apply this training shall be successful. Amen. Guys, I don't care what you believe in, whatever you believe in, make sure you practice. You learn everything about it, practice, and then teach others. When you teach others, the master teacher says, you will be blessed. And how are you going to be blessed? You get better. And you're going to help people solve their problems. And when you help enough people solve their problems, your problems will start to go away. Who are we? We are the Smart Wolf Club. We've been online for many, many years, some of us since 1998. And we have been doing this online money making stuff for many, many years. If it is online, we've been there, we've done that. Binary options trading, crypto trading, forex trading, stocks trading, options trading, digital marketing, name it. We've been there, we've done that, okay? And so many people who have been trained by our group, and therefore just come and join our group, okay? If you want to learn how to make money online from the comfort of your house, on the go, on travel, it doesn't matter. You can learn, okay? And we use many strategies. We have simple ones and we have complicated ones. Like right here is one of the students going through the Forex trading masterclass using some free indicators on TradingView to analyze the market and take trades. Okay, this is just one of those. And there are many, many others, guys. Okay. There's some who are going through the crypto trading masterclass, learning how to trade crypto, and so on. Okay, so guys, it's up to you to take the initiative. If things have to change, you have to change. As you can see here, we had a student who was doing staking. All right, you know what staking is on crypto. This is just by the way. Okay, all right, so those are some of the things that they learn. Okay. If you look at what is going on here, you can see right now, this is the weekly review for most of the altcoins. They are red, meaning that they are below what they started with the week before. Only a few are green. You can see the bonk, for example. This is a meme coin, Pepe, XMR, TRX, HBAR. These are the only ones that are green. The rest, they are all under the water. Okay, because you know what is going on. Bitcoin is ranging right now. Okay, it's around 63,000. When it had reached the all-time high of about 73,000, you could see all these were green. If we look at the hourly, you can see again only a few are green. If you look at today, this is a daily summary. You can see a little bit more. Okay, this is just, by the way, just to show you some of the things that our students are going through. Right now, our focus is on the binary options. We have a student who started this challenge. This is the $100 to 20K challenge. The student starts with $100 and they have to grow this account to $20,000 in less than 6 months. Okay, so this is session number 6 for this student, and she has, you can see she started here at 163 and the goal for the day is 168. And we are using the KISS strategy, and these are some of the rules. Target daily profit, her daily target profit is 3%. She's using the 1% trading rule and also using a modified martingale strategy. Okay, if all this sounds like French or Chinese to you, please go and check our previous training, guys. They are all there for you, just free. Just find some time, sit down, take a pen or piece of paper and a pen, take a notepad, just like I do have one here. Take a pen. Okay, this costs about $1 each. The notepad is $1. The pen is $1. So that's a $2 investment. Okay, and then you have a free video training from us, courtesy to our private student who is paying for this. Okay, so no excuses, guys. Just find some time, sit down, and start from video number 1 on this playlist. It's called the KISS strategy. And then make sure you subscribe to the channel, like our videos, and share, because this information has changed many people's lives, and it is going to change many more. And we are getting it even better and sweeter and simpler. Okay? And if you want hand-holding one-on-one, you can join our masterclass. If you binary options masterclass, join the Smart Wolf Club, join our masterclass. The link, all the links are in the description. And if you have any questions, you can get hold of us. You can get social. We have a Telegram group. If you don't like Telegram, we have a WhatsApp group. If you don't like WhatsApp, you don't like any of those, we have a private Facebook group. If you don't like any of those, we have Instagram. You can DM us. If you don't like any of those, you can send us an email. Okay? We have an email address right in the description, guys. Go ahead and send us an email with your problems, and one of our coaches will get back to you. We have coaches from all over the world. We have students from all over the world. Some of them come from countries where they live under $1 per day. And if you show them to make $10, $5 a day, you change the entire life of the whole village, their families. Just imagine. All right, guys, let's go back to this. Enough with that. That's the mindset piece. You know, your success is 99% mindset. I can show you the strategy in 2 minutes, but if your mindset is not good, you're still gonna lose. You come here and you're all greedy, you wanna get rich quick, you're not gonna make it. These are not get rich quick schemes. You gotta practice the strategy. You gotta understand the strategy. That's why we keep it simple, because we don't want anything complicated, okay? Now, we do have complicated strategies for those who want complicated strategies. For example, like these ones, where you use all these bells and whistles. I don't know, Kurutoga, histogram, UT bot alerts, SS channels. We even have some paid ones, paid indicators, complicated drawing lines, you know, lines, bells and whistles, like draw a line, you see all this crazy stuff here. Doesn't matter. The outcome is the same. You either win or lose. When you take a trade, You either win or lose. If you start a digital marketing campaign, you either make profit or you lose. Okay? So your analysis is critical. So basically what I'm saying here is, guys, just remove all these drawings. There you go. And let's go back to binary option. This is our main focus. But we have trainings for Forex, everything. Whatever you need, we have it. Okay? Whatever you want to learn, guys. In the Smart Wolf Club, we teach our students up to have 6 sources of income. Why? If the pandemic ever taught us anything, is that you need multiple skills to survive in the next century and this century. You need multiple skills. Okay, we have students here who are engineers, doctors, some of our coaches actually. One of our coaches from Singapore is Wuhan. She is a computer engineer, very successful, but she has learned all this. She's done this for over 12 years. Okay. If you go to South America, Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, Rodrigo's, one of our coaches, has been with us for 15 years. If you go to the United Kingdom, London area, Mr. Scott, been with us for over 15 years. If you go to the United States, for example, Mr. Baker, Atlanta, Georgia, over 15 years doing this. You go to New York, Rosemary, been with us for over 15 years teaching this and doing this and practicing this. Every day, these guys are in the trenches. If you go to Berlin, Germany, you find Miss Karinses. She's been with us for over 12 years. You go to Sydney, Australia, you find Josephine in Sydney, Australia, over 12 years. You go to Africa, Cape Town, South Africa, Malemala has been with us for over 15 years. You go to the west of Africa, Moses, over 15 years. Guys, they're all over the world. You go to India, Bombay region, Mr. Singh, over 15 years. You go to Japan, Tajimoto, Tokyo, Japan, Tajimoto, over 15 years, guys. These guys, they do this, they live this. So any of our students can get the help they need. Okay, guys? Enough with that. I know most of you guys just want to show the money. I can see some of you saying, show us the money on the webinar here. Here is the money, okay? So basically, you just saw my student take a trade here. She took a few trades. She took she took the one, she won. She took 2, lost. And then she took 1 and won. And now she's closer to her goal. Her goal is, let's go back down here. The goal is 168.76. And we are at 167.52. So we're going to have the 2 again. So what we're going to look at here is we go back here and form our bias. No lines, no expensive indicators, no complicated, nothing complicated. You just come and look at the trend. And you can see basically this was an upward trend and then now it is going down. So it has become a downward trend, right? You can see it's going down. Okay, let's get another pair. If you don't like that, you just change it. That's all you have to do. You can see this is going down. That one is going, okay, it was going up. And now it looks like it's going down, or it could just be a retracement. Okay, so it looks like it's going down, guys. So we're going to trade this one going down, okay? All right, so what we do is we come here and we've already put the data here. So the first level trade is 164. So we put here 164. If we lose that, we go to the next one, which is 4.10. That's where the modified martingale comes in. Okay, so we wait. The candles are 30 seconds. The trade time is 1 minute, and we have 2 charts. So we make sure these charts are the same. Okay, Euro USD. Okay, good. So now what is this one doing? It looks like it's going up again. Okay, we wait and see when the candle closes, see what direction it is going. I think it's saying, it's looking like the bias is an upward trend. So this could have just been a retracement here. Because these are higher lows. And what did it form here? Higher lows. Well, But you can see it's just going up, going up. Okay, so we're going to form an upward bias. So we're going to be taking call options for this pair, guys. We've already made the decision. The verdict is in. Upward trend. So we're going to make, there we go, and we took the trade. Okay. We took the $1.64 trade. Let's see if it goes up. If it doesn't, we are ready to hedge it, and we're going to use a modified martingale strategy. Now, guys, if we win this, we call it a day, because we're going to probably be at our target. Okay, we are waiting. Doesn't look like. There's a bit of pushing here. Okay, we wait and see. It's coming down really hard. Oh my goodness. There's a fat red candle forming here, but I think it's gonna go up. Come on, go up. No, it's gonna take the money. Okay, if it goes down, we're gonna jump in with this. Yes. All right, then we're gonna jump in with that. And if we lose that, we're gonna go to the next one, which is 10.24. All right, 10.24. That's the next one. There we go. We're prepared. We are prepared. If it hands us an L, we're gonna jump going up. Okay, looks like it's in the money, guys. And count, drum roll, hopefully we'll make it. There we go, there we go, very close, there we go, there we go. Booyah, booyah, booyah. We made it, guys, so we don't need to go to the next one. So it's 169.65. So the results are 169. We hit our daily goal, and slowly, Rome was not built in one day. We have hit our goal for the day, and the profit is the difference between the starting number and the ending number. And 164.65, 163.84. So it is 169.65. So it's going to be 169.65 minus 163.84. Okay, that's where we started. All right, so there we go. So the profit right now is 581. Okay, I told you, we have students here who live under $1 per day. So if you show them how to make $5, you're making them rich, guys. Okay, they'll be so happy you won't believe it. I have seen this, been to many places, and I know these people live under $1 per day. If you just show them how to make $5, but you know that's not our goal. Our goal here is starting from $100 and growing this into $20,000 in less than 6 months. We have students who have done this challenge in 2 months, 3 months, 4 months. We have some who have completed this in the shortest time possible. Okay, so even this student here, she's on day, this is this 5th session. She's already at, you can see, 169. Okay, almost doubling the account. Okay, the account is almost doubled, and using the power of compound. Okay, we are going to be using the power of compound interest right here. I see our daily interest is 3% for this patient, for this student, and if you calculate it, you can see it tells you right here, in about 180 days you'll be at 20,000. But we're going to get there sooner, because you can see the rate at which she's moving. Because she's supposed to be at 169. We're around here on day 18, but we are already there on day 5. So that is 3 times as fast That's why I'm telling you, some students do this in 2 months, 3 times shortest time possible. Okay. Now, let's say some of you come in with $1,000. We have students who come in with $1,000, and if you're doing the daily 3%, okay, let's see how quickly you're gonna get to 20K. You won't believe it. You'll get to 20K in, let's see, some people have done this in the shortest time. Look at that. Look at how fast you're gonna get to 20K. 20K is right here. 1 or 2 days. So some people do this in less than, again, with $1,000. Some of these guys will do it in a month. I tell you, we've seen students who come in here and they will hit the $20,000 mark in 1 month from $1,000. You reinvest everything. Now, this is a free tool we are using. Okay, nothing complicated here, because some of you are like, oh my goodness, this is too difficult. No, this is simple stuff. We call it KISS. You go to this website here, compounddaily.org calculator, and you're going to use the first one here, the financial calculators. You want to get this one here, Compound Daily Interest Calculator. That's the one you want. And you're going to put your initial amount, whatever you're investing. Okay, so if you're coming here and starting with $100, like my student did, and then other students have come in here, some have start with $500. Okay, so if you're starting with 500, I'm sorry, this thing is slow, guys. My internet is pretty slow. Okay, let's say $500. You can see how fast you're gonna get to the $20,000 mark. So your goals will be different. Everybody has a different, even this interest here. Some people look at this and they say, oh, this is too, they have a high risk tolerance, so they can risk more. Instead of using the 1% trading rule, some students use between 1 and 5. Instead of using a modified matching strategy of a 2.5x factor, some people use a 5x factor or a 3x factor or 1.5. Some people have a lower risk tolerance, so their target daily profit is 1%. They don't want to risk too much. Okay, so then it just takes you longer to get to your goals. So again, we work with every student and make sure you craft your goals according to your risk tolerance. Okay, this particular student here has a moderate risk tolerance, and you can see she's going for a 3% daily profit, 1% trading rule, and a 2.5x factor for the martingale. Okay, and of course she's trading on pocket options, trading the OTCs, which are extremely volatile. And of course, pocket options is one of the platforms that we use, but you're not limited to this. You can use whatever broker that you have an account with. But if you don't have one, you can use pocket options. And I'll put the link in the description. Use our link. We get some type of compensation for you using our link. It doesn't come out of your pocket. And you also get a bonus. You get 50% bonus on your deposit. So if you deposit $100, they give you $50 on top. Okay, guys, I'm gonna end this here, and for tomorrow, let's see, maybe we can prepare for tomorrow. Okay, so trades, let's see how many trades did we take. Let's finalize this really quickly, guys. So we took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades, won 6 and lost 3. No, I mean won 3, lost 3. So guys, you realize you don't need to win all the trades, guys, because that's one thing some of you are always fighting. Won 3 and lost 3. And we still made profit. Okay, so you just make sure you win more than you, larger, bigger than you. And we use this martingale here, level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I put asterisks on level 5 because this is risky. When you are playing with large numbers like this, you're likely to dig a big hole, and it's going to take you longer to come back out of the hole. It's common sense, guys. Okay, so if you have a bigger deficit, it's going to take you longer, more effort to recoup your losses. However, this is supposed to guide you. Okay, reduce the number of trades you're going to take and the amount of time you're going to spend in the market, because the longer you stay in the market, the higher the chances of you blowing your accounts. And I've seen that from so many students. They blow their accounts because they are over trading, they are revenge trading, they're doing all the bad things the bad habits that you learn from all those complicated strategies. So just make it simple for yourself, okay? Just come in here, know your targets, know your daily target, know your limits, know your risk tolerance, only risk whatever you can afford to lose. If you can't afford to lose it, don't risk it. This is a very risky business, okay? Any trading online, any business online, even offline, is very risky. Any business that involves you putting your money, just know you can lose it, okay, guys? Let's not be naive. We're not kids. Everybody is mature here, I hope. Everybody is mature. You know that whatever you're putting in these platforms, you can lose it. So when you lose it, don't start crying and saying it is a scam. Just know when you're going into these, you can lose your entire investment or part of it, okay? So I don't like to beat about the bush. We tell you the truth. This is a risky business. If you're doing this, just know you can lose your investment. There's no guarantee. Nobody is guaranteeing you anything. We are not professional advisors. We are not financial advisors. We are not legal advisors. We are not investment advisors. None of us in the Smart Wolf Club is an investment. Whatever we do is just things we have learned, and it's for educational purposes and for only your entertainment, okay? Do your own research, guys. And of course, you have to follow proper risk management, okay? Don't be greedy. These are not get-rich-quick schemes. You have to learn this skill, and it may take some time. Be patient. The master teacher says, blessed are those who are patient. And with that, guys, let's go back here, and we prepare for tomorrow, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to come here, and we're going to draw a line. So that was the end of today. And then we do the same thing. We are starting from now. So today we started at 163. Tomorrow we're going to start at 169. Guys, you see what I talk about? Compound interest. Rome was not built in one day. But some of you are so greedy, you think that is nothing. But trust me, this is going to be something. You talk to people who know what investment is all about. It's a matter of time, being patient, okay? You gotta be patient, guys. You gotta be very patient. No greedy stuff, no microwave mentality. Just know that it takes time to build this stuff. Okay, what would be the goal? So the goal is 3%, so it will be 3% of this, and you can just bring your calculator here. Simple maths. Okay, 169.65, right? Okay, let's make sure. Yep, 169.65 times 3%. You want to grow this account by 3%, so just multiply by 103%, like that. So this is what we'll be looking at tomorrow, 174.74. You round off this to the nearest two decimal places. This is going to be a 4 because this is 9 right here. Simple maths, guys. Okay, because I see some people get hung up on these little things, simple things. If you skipped your maths, high school maths or middle level, it's middle school maths. Okay, do some catch up. Okay, level 1 trade is going to be 1% of the original amount here, not the goal, but the original, whatever we have, the starting amount. So it will be 1 point. It will be 1 point what, guys? 1.70. Okay, you round off that. So it will be 169. Okay, level 2 is going to be, you can just get it here if you guys don't know how to do the maths. 169.65 times 1%. There you go. You can see it's 1.6965. We round off to the two decimal places. It's going to change to 1.70 multiplied by 2.5x, which is the martingale that we are using. And this is what we are looking for, 4.24. Again, I'm rounding off to the nearest decimal place because some people get hung up on simple things like this. Simple maths. You can just do a YouTube video if you don't know how to calculate percentages. Somebody has already done that for you. The knowledge is there. Just go get it, man. And stop watching all those funny cut things that don't help you. Funny cut videos and they're not helping you. Just go ahead and learn. Put some time into learning. That's why we tell you, join our Smart Wolf Club, join our masterclass. Okay, invest in your learning. You remember when you were growing up, your parents were telling you, go to school, get a good education, because they realize the importance of education. Very important. Okay. All right, so here you go. Multiply this by 2.5. Again, so this is going to be 26.51 because this is a 7. All right, so 26.51. Now, some people are still asking me questions. How are you doing this math? Come on, guys. Give me a break. I see on the chat people are hung up on this simple calculation. They're saying, oh, this is not KISS. This is KISS, my friend. This is like the easiest thing you can ever do. We have students who are already on the pro advanced levels where they're using all these complicated structures and indicators. So this is 66.27 because here is a 9. So 66.27. Okay, and then our results would be here. And then, of course, the profits. Very important. We are not taking profits as yet, but I will tell you when to start taking some profits. Start withdrawing some money. And we are only going to do it in some of our trainings are coming up. Okay, so make sure you subscribe, hit the bell notification, like. Man, we want to grow this channel to at least 5,000. There's a lot of you on here who have not subscribed. Go ahead and subscribe and invite anybody who wants to make money online. This is a make money online skill. You learn this, you never go hungry. Okay, because you can just come and take a trade and pay for your dinner. Okay, and you can do that while you're waiting for your dinner. You saw it took us how many? 6 minutes. Each trade is a minute. We took 6. That's 6 minutes. It took longer because I'm explaining, but you can imagine if you're the one trading on the app. Pocket Option gives you a mobile app. You download that on your phone while you're waiting for your next flight. You can pay for your flight while right there. So like now you guys can see this is going down, but this is an upward trend. So we can take an upward trade here and we're likely going to be in the money. If we fail, we're going to take another one. Just hedge the trade. You're not going anywhere. There's no guarantee that you're going to win all the trades. You don't need to win all the trades. I've already shown you guys here. You can see here the previous day, my student won all the trades. Some days you come and the market is bad. You don't control the market. The brokers also want to take your money. So you got to be smarter than them. You got to have to beat these algorithms that they are using by being smarter. Risk small amount, risk small amount, risk small amount. Don't risk a big chunk of your account. You're going to blow your account and they will take your money. Because if you come here and put $100 here, you're probably going to move this pair. You're going to cause a market, you're going to push the market like what the whales do. Okay, if they want to move a stock or an asset, they just dump enough money. Pump and dump. They call them pump and dump. They pump it up and then they dump it and they leave you holding the bags. Yeah, so if you come here and put $100, you might just move this pair because we don't know how much liquidity is in this. Just a small hike here will tick off the algorithm and it's going to go against you and take all your money. Okay, so small bits, small chunks. Anyway, that is just by the way. So I think we are done, guys. We are ready for the next trade. This is our next session. So we're going to take a break now. And hopefully everybody is going to practice this on the demo. Guys, please do me a favor. Just if you don't know how to trade, you're learning, you're a beginner, you don't know this strategy, just go to the demo first. Okay, I know people don't like the demo. You want to go to the real money so you can make money right away. You're going to just lose your money. Okay, so go to the demo. Okay, take this from me. Go to the demo first. Trade what we call paper money, free money. This is a broker's money. Trade that. Practice to just get your psychology, mindset proper. Okay, confidence. If you start winning with the strategy on the demo account, now you can risk a small amount of your money, capital, your real earned money. Because you don't want to lose your real earned money. I don't. I'm sure you don't. And I see a lot of students. They don't. But some of them make that mistake. All right, guys, if you have any questions for me, please leave them on the comments, ask questions. And if you need help, okay, because I know some of you need help. You need help, okay, to make money online. Join our group, join the Smart Wolf Club. The link is in the description. And if you need more help, you need hand-holding, one-on-one, you can work with our coaches. Join our binary options trading masterclass and start learning, guys. You start the challenge, and you're going to be working with a coach, and within no time, guys, you're going to learn, and you'll be learning and earning, making money at the same time. Okay? All right? What a cool way of learning. You could pay for your entire training just by earning. So guys, let us end this here, and just do me a favor, subscribe to the channel, please. Let's get it to at least 5,000 before the end of the year, and let's give it the likes, and make sure you hit the bell notification, because tomorrow we're going to continue with this, and at some point I'm going to bring in some other students who are already at higher levels, advanced students who are using some other strategies, and we'll start sharing those with you. Okay? And for those of you who are interested in learning how to trade, let's say crypto, for example, yes, we offer the crypto trading masterclass, and we also share some trainings on this same channel. Those of you who are interested in Forex trading, we have the Forex trading masterclass. You can join that, and we also share some Forex trading tips right here on this channel. Those of you who are into stocks trading, again, we do share some trading tips on this channel. Okay? And you can join our stocks trading masterclass if you want to become better and start winning and stop losing. Those of you who want to learn how to make money online, just digital marketing. Okay, marketing online, basically running some advertisements, different forms of advertising, social media, media buying, advertising. Some of you want to learn how to run YouTube ads with big ROIs, or some of you want to learn how to use TikTok ads. Some of you want to learn how to use Instagram, influencers, all this, anything online, digital marketing. It comes under the digital marketing. Some of you want to promote your own products, your own. Some of you are multi-talented. You want to learn how to market your programs. We do all that for you. Okay? So you can join the Smart Wolf Club and you learn this stuff. Guys, I will see you in the next training, and stay safe. And may the markets be good to you. And I pray that those of you who are going to apply this training shall be successful. And if you don't understand anything on this video, go back and watch the playlist, okay? We put there a playlist deliberately because it takes you from point A to point Z, okay? If you watch the playlist, trust me, you're going to be a better person, and you're going to feel good about yourself. See you guys, and take care.
And I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out.